Could something as simple as baking soda help in the fight against cancer? While the internet is full of claims, the science tells a more complex story. Let's separate fact from fiction. Can baking soda help treat cancer? Here's what science says. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a common substance with a variety of uses, from cooking to cleaning. One of its notable properties is its alkalizing effect, meaning it can reduce acidity. Some online sources claim that baking soda and other alkaline foods can prevent, treat, or even cure cancer. The idea behind this theory is that cancer cells thrive in acidic environments, and reducing acidity could potentially slow tumor growth and spread. However, while the concept is intriguing, it's important to separate fact from speculation. The human body tightly regulates pH levels, keeping blood and tissues within a narrow range regardless of diet. Consuming baking soda or other alkaline foods does not significantly alter your body's overall acidity, nor can it prevent cancer from developing. That said, some laboratory studies, including in vitro and animal research, suggest that sodium bicarbonate may have a role when used alongside conventional cancer treatments. By reducing acidity in the tumor microenvironment, it could potentially enhance the effectiveness of certain therapies. Currently, research is limited, and there is no conclusive evidence to recommend baking soda as a standalone treatment for cancer. It should never replace established cancer therapies. This article explores the relationship between acidity and cancer and examines how sodium bicarbonate might be used to complement conventional treatments in the future. What are pH levels and why do they matter? The pH scale is used to measure how acidic or alkaline a substance is, with values ranging from 0 to 14. Acidic, 0.0 to 6.9. Neutral, 7.0. Alkaline, basic, 7.1 to 14.0. A pH of 7 is considered neutral, meaning it is neither acidic nor alkaline. The human body maintains a tightly regulated pH level of approximately 7.4, which is slightly alkaline. This balance is essential for proper cellular function and overall health. However, pH levels can vary in different parts of the body. For example, the stomach is highly acidic, with a pH ranging from 1.35 to 3.5, which helps break down food efficiently. Urine is naturally acidic, but its pH does not accurately reflect the body's overall pH. Blood pH typically ranges from 7.35 to 7.45, maintaining a slightly alkaline environment that is critical for vital biochemical processes. Understanding pH levels provides context for discussions about acidity, alkalinity, and the claims about substances like baking soda in relation to health and disease. The relationship between pH levels and cancer. Cancer cells have a unique way of altering their environment to support their growth. They tend to thrive in more acidic conditions by converting glucose, sugar, into lactic acid, which lowers the pH in their surrounding tissues. This localized acidity can create an environment that promotes tumor growth and makes it easier for cancer to spread, or metastasize, to other parts of the body. Extensive research has explored the connection between pH levels and cancer growth. While the findings are complex, there is no scientific evidence that consuming baking soda or other alkaline foods can prevent cancer. Cancer can develop in normal, healthy tissues with balanced pH levels, and naturally acidic environments, such as the stomach, do not promote cancer growth. However, scientists have observed that once cancer cells are established, they produce an acidic microenvironment that further supports malignant progression. This has led researchers to investigate whether reducing acidity around tumors could enhance the effectiveness of conventional anti-cancer treatments. Understanding this relationship provides insight into why some laboratory studies are exploring the potential role of sodium bicarbonate in complementing cancer therapy, though it is not a standalone treatment. How might baking soda be used in the treatment of cancer? Cancer cells create an acidic environment around themselves, known as the tumor microenvironment, by converting sugar into lactic acid. While the cells themselves maintain internal balance through specialized mechanisms, the surrounding acidity promotes tumor growth, helps cancer evade the immune system, and facilitates metastasis. Scientists are investigating ways to disrupt this process, either by blocking the proteins that remove acid from cancer cells or by neutralizing the acidity in the tumor microenvironment. Some research suggests that adjusting acidity could enhance the immune system's ability to fight cancer. For example, a 2020 study explored the potential of controlling acid-base balance as an adjuvant therapy. By reducing the acidity around tumors, researchers found that the body's immune response improved, supporting cancer treatment. In leukemia, tumor cells produce high levels of lactic acid, creating an acidic environment that impairs T-cell function. In a 2020 animal study, adding sodium bicarbonate to drinking water neutralized this acidity and strengthened T-cell activity. Researchers also tested sodium bicarbonate in 10 human patients who had relapsed after bone marrow transplants and observed improved T-cell function without significant side effects. While promising, larger clinical studies are needed. In liver cancer, a 2020 in vitro study used a method called T-latase, combining a 5% baking soda solution with chemotherapy drugs delivered directly into tumors. The neutralization of acidity improved drug effectiveness, slowing tumor growth. More recently, a 2023 study demonstrated that sodium bicarbonate nanoparticles could enhance cancer immunotherapy. By neutralizing lactic acid, these nanoparticles reduced tumor acidity, allowing the immune system to function more effectively. The treatment also induced pyroptosis, a process where cancer cells swell and burst, releasing signals that alert the immune system and boost anti-cancer inflammation. While these studies indicate potential applications of baking soda in cancer therapy, it is important to note that baking soda is not a standalone cure. Its role is being explored as a complementary approach to conventional treatments under strict medical supervision. Baking soda cannot prevent cancer, and consuming baking soda or other alkaline foods will not stop cancer from developing. The connection between baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and cancer lies in the acidic microenvironment created by proliferating cancer cells. Several studies suggest that, in a clinical setting, sodium bicarbonate may enhance the effectiveness of certain anti-cancer therapies by neutralizing this acidity. However, research is still limited, and much more investigation is needed before it can be recommended as part of standard cancer treatment. If you found this information helpful, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to HE Info for trusted, science-backed health updates. Stay informed and empowered about your health.